These are 3 types of patches for Unity Hybrid. Each one is made of the same materials that your Unity Hybrid vest is composed of, so that they're going to be the perfect match. The first one that's included with every vest is the custom name tag. This is going to be applied to the upper rear portion of your vest. The other 2 types of patches can be used in place of placards. Placards are typically installed on your vest in zones A, B, and on the rear, C or D. If you don't want to have a placard but just prefer to have an identifier patch, those will lay over the placard zone and will provide a perfect fit and align beautifully with your placards. There is one for the front and one for the rear. These patches come in a variety of standard options that are available on the website, or if you prefer, you can go a fully custom option. One of my favorites is reflective, especially in OD green. If you prefer, we can also do fully custom logos, but to do that, you'll simply need to email orders@safelifedefense.com. These are Unity patches, and they are perfect for your vest.